Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning and today we'll be seeing name entity recognition using spaCy. So first of all, let's try to understand what exactly is name entity recognition. So whenever in any textual statement, there are some kind of an entities which are very much unique. For example, name of the company like Samsung, Apple, Microsoft, we all know that these are the name of companies. Then for example, country names like India, Australia, right? Then the other things like phones, maybe some electronic gadgets, right? So these are some specific kind of categories which are termed as entities, right? And for inside of that textual statement, if you want to extract such kind of categories, then it is called as NER recognition. And there are some predefined NERs already there in libraries like spaCy, Stanza, NLTK and all. And if you want to make some custom NERs, then you can also make those. Okay, so here in this video we'll be seeing how to do NER using spaCy, and we'll also see the default NERs, the categories which come in spaCy, and yeah, I'll definitely share with you how you can also do custom NERs. Okay, so let's first try to understand what are the NERs which come inbuilt into spaCy. Okay, so these are the NERs which come inbuilt into spaCy. We have person, we have nationality, facility, organization, GP, LOC, product, event, work of art, law, language, date, time, person, money, quantity, ordinal and cardinal. This pretty much covers majority of the things, but if you really want to create your own custom NERs, then you can there are two ways. First way is that you can create a regular expression for that typical NER, and you can run it through the text and extract it. Or the other way is that you can train a custom NER on some specific keywords and some data, and then create your own custom NER. Okay, now let's go to the code and see how NERs work and how it works and all. Okay, so here what I've done is we have used spaCy. I have downloaded the English Core Web SM. This is the package for the English language. I have imported it, I have loaded it, and I've created an object of NLP. I have passed a statement. Ramesh is earning in hundreds of dollars in UK. Now here we know that we have an NER of UK, that is location, and we also have money here like $100. Now let's see if it extracts it or not. Now when I run the code, yeah, so here you can see that we have two NERs extracted. First one is money, that is $100, and the other one is GP, that is UK. Okay, so in this way you can use spaCy for extracting NERs. I would also recommend you go and search for custom NERs and how you can make your own NERs and make it fit to the data which you have. Okay, so that's it with this video guys. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with all your Python ML friends, and stay tuned to AS Learning for more such amazing tech stuff. Take care, peace out.